Fiona made burgers and chips, cheesy
Yeah.
chips, and I just got back from work, so I'm super hungry.
Yeah, I made cheeseburger and chips.
Yeah.
I don't really make it often, so
Thanks.
yeah. It was actually effort. Maybe I'm just not doing it properly, you know? I was trying to toast the buns and then butter them and then fucking fry the patties.
But yeah, it's cheese and caramelized onion, which is nice.
And I feel like it's just hella greasy, like the way I made it. Oh wells.
That's cool. Mmm.
Good.
Mhm.
Good.
It's like those nice ones that you get out of like the burger shop. You know, like the little hut vans. Yeah, like a burger van burger.
Oh, we didn't even show you guys how it looks. It looks like that. It doesn't really look like clean, but yeah. I'll show you guys how it looks. I don't know if you guys can see. It looks like that. I just feel like hot now. It's so hot in the kitchen.
Yeah, the house is my fault. Mmm. What do you think?
Yeah, it tastes better than how I used to make it.
The last time Fiona made it, she didn't like it.
Yeah, it was bland.
I think you made like 6 and had like 1. I think I had like 2. And then I had 1 later on in the night, and then I took the other 2 to like work for lunch. Oh, you had fur for lunch today, innit?
For breakfast.
I just had a sandwich today. Ham sandwich and just fruit, and passion fruit, apple, banana.
Healthy. We're just drinking orange juice as well. I don't know, like 30 minutes. But it's like I was all over the place. Like I had to check the fries and then I had to check and I take out the bun from the toaster. And then I've got to make these little patties. Like make them, roll them up.
Wait, so how did you do it? How did you like make the patties like?
I bought the patties and then I seasoned it and then I just had to mix it up with my hands.
Oh, okay.
So then I had to like.
Oh, so they
mix up
came
the
as
bowl.
patties and then like.
Yeah, I mixed up.
Oh, and then you Okay.
Yeah.
But yeah, man, there was traffic because all the kids are back at school. It actually makes a difference.
Well, obviously, everyone's picking up their kids.
Yeah, they're going home. Very long. You see, they're nice though.
You know what it is, guys? It's like you look forward to eat something, and then when you're making it, it's just long, and you just lose your appetite for it.
Yeah.
But it's not bad. Like it's a good burger.
It's a very nice burger. It's the best burger you've made for sure.
Yeah, for real.
But yeah, I know what she's saying. Raphael don't cook.
Nah, but I don't know why it just felt more like overwhelming because there was a lot going on. It's like, oh, this, that, you gotta kind of like create a sandwich burger, you know, a burger.
And your house is hot as well.
Yeah.
I was at work all day, I didn't sweat. And I literally came in here, like set up for like a minute and I was like sweating over shit.
Damn. Yeah, you might as well eat this one.
I'm going to save it for later.
God, I just want to eat a single pattern.
When did you start like watching ASMR videos then?
When did I start watching it? Like,
Like when you was a kid?
Not when I was a kid, like when I was in my 20s or something.
Oh, like a couple of years ago then.
But I just watch it because I want to see what they're eating, not like for the noise. It's like I'm hungry. And I like people, I like food.
I like watching people eat.
I like seeing people eat good food. That sounds weird. Like, you know when you just love food, you just want to, I don't know. Yeah, I want to see people eat, I guess. It sounds weird to say because I would never do that in real life. I'm not going to sit here and watch you eat, you know? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But watch other people online.
That makes sense. If you made it this far in the video, guys, guess how old we are in the comments. And the winner gets a burger from Fiona.
Bruh. Nah. I'm not making burgers ever again.
She said that last time.
Enjoy that. Yeah, but I didn't make it in a long time. Thanks for watching our boring mukbang. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Oh, what has up on my shirt?
I'm done.